The AIIMS Nurses Union have gone on an indefinite strike from Monday over their long pending demands, including those with regard to the 6th Central Pay Commission and against contractual appointments, even as the AIIMS director appealed them to call off their agitation and return to work. As around 5,000 nurses went on strike from the afternoon, hampering patient care services at the Premier Hospital, AIIMS director Dr. Randeep Guleria, in a video message, termed the strike in the time of a pandemic as inappropriate and unfortunate. He said the Nurses Union had put in 23 demands and that almost all the demands have been met by the AIIMS administration and the government.
The Nurses Union had actually put in 23 demands. Almost all of the demands have been met by the AIIMS administration and by the government. There is one demand which they have insisted upon, and this is basically a perceived anomaly in the fixation of the initial pay as far as the 6th CPC is concerned. We are currently having the 7th CPC which is being implemented. And multiple meetings have been held with the Nurses Union, with their representatives, not only by the AIIMS administration, but by the economic advisor in the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, by representatives of the Department of Expenditure, and also by the person who drafted the 6th CPC. He was also present in the meeting. And he explained to the Nurses Union that the interpretation is not correct, and this is beyond the provision of the Gazette notification. I therefore appeal to all of you to come back and work and really help us get through this pandemic. Whatever issues you have, we will try and resolve amicably and try and be sympathetic to your demands. But at this time of hardship and this time of trial and tribulations, please do not go on strike.
Nurses Union of the All India Institute of Medical Science has gone on a strike, citing anomaly in the fixation of the initial pay in the 6th Pay Commission. They say that they are not asking for a pay hike, instead they are asking the administration to fix this particular anomaly in the 6th Pay Commission. While the Nurses Union of the All India Institute of Medical Science has taken this last resort of going on a strike, the director of the AIIMS, Dr. Randeep Guleria, in a video statement, he has appealed to the Nurses Union to call off their strike and then to return to the duty, citing it's a time of crisis. He also says that 22 out of 23 demands of the Nurses Union have already been met, and that's why the Nurses Union should call off their strike and then should return to the duty. In fact, the administration is taking every effort to make sure that the hospital runs smoothly, but because the Nurses Union has gone on a strike, some of the services are reportedly taken a hit. With camera person Pooja Arya, this is Arvind Gunasekar for NDTV.